In today's video, I'll show you how to install car mods in Mafia 2. Check my video description for this car mod download link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Audi RS5. Once you downloaded the mod, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open the mod folder, open to copy the game folder. Drag and drop these two folders inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, open edit, open materials, right click on this Mafia 2 materials merger and select run as administrator and select yes option. Once this done, you can launch the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see the car in roads. See Audi car here too. What is parking? That's how you can install car mods in Mafia 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.